Hey y'all, this is Mrs. O'Connor Vince with another You.DJ tutorial. Today I just want to show you the special effects here. It says FX1, so I can select all these different effects here, and I'm going to show you quickly kind of how we go about doing that. So a kick, kind of a educated guess, right, might have something to do with a kick drum because that involves the word kick. So again, you can hear the kick. If I kind of hover around the middle here, it gives me a quarter note kick. So that is an emphasis on the kick drum on every quarter note. If I move it further from the middle, it doubles, right? So first it goes into eighth notes, then 16th notes. On the very edge here, it goes into 32nd notes, which is very, very fast. So again, a kick might be great for if you're doing dance, right? House music, if you're doing disco, right? Because it kind of incorporates that 4 on the floor beat, which we know is essential to that genre.